Conduit is our desktop app that can transform the legacy financial contracts to ACTUS terms locally, while no data leaving the premise. Here, banks can connect their legacy database. It supports a variety of databases. After entering essential parameters, the database can be connected to follow next steps. In simpler cases, spreadsheets can be uploaded as the data source as CSV file. For database, the output is stored in configured Postgres data table. But for CSV, we have choice of the data table as well as a simple JSON document. Let's select a legacy spreadsheet for demo purpose. Once source data provided, we land to the transformation wizard. These simple questions help to identify the specific ACTUS data dictionary. Typical bank employee can understand these 5 questions that are crucial for the transformation. Once all the questions are answered, the identified ACTUS target is displayed. Then we proceed to the data mapper. Here, all the fields from the source data are fetched in drop-down to be mapped with the target ACTUS fields. Brief info about the ACTUS fields gives enough idea about the parameter. Corresponding legacy fields should be selected here. For proper transformation, we have logic builder for each field. The sample logics are division or multiplication by a number. Useful, for example, to get interest rate as fraction of 1. Parse date identified as specific format. Changing a legacy value with corresponding ACTUS value, etc. There are optional ACTUS parameters also. Once all the essential parameters mapped, certain validation is done for ACTUS requirements. Logic can be applied in case of warnings. By a click, the transformation recipe gets generated. This recipe can be saved so that next time we can proceed by just importing the recipe and avoiding the mapping step. Details of the target database to be entered, where the transformed ACTUS contracts to be stored. Due to JSON structure, PostgreSQL is recommended. In such database, the app creates and maintains ACTUS_contracts table. Then, run Python transformation and wait for it. After the transformation, ACTUS contracts are saved in target database. Then we can run ACTUS analysis. It uses ACTUS API to unlock true power of ACTUS system. For example, the cash flow projections are shown here. Analysis can be done on whole ACTUS_contracts table, maintained in output database anytime.